Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lupe. Hi. And as you may know from my last video, I didn't upload on schedule last time because I was going through my midterms and I just wanted to focus on that. But I'm back now, and today I bring you this colorful, fun eye makeup look. So if you want to see how to recreate it, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to start with my eyes, and for that I'm going to prime using the NYX HD Studio in the shade CW05. And for this look, I'm not going to set it with powder because I want the eyeshadows to really intensify, to really show up. So I'm going straight in with eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Edit. These eyeshadows don't have a name, but I'm going straight in with this pink with a brush like this. And I'm going to apply that all over my crease. Then I'm going to switch the side of the brush and I'm going to blend with light motions. And then pack again and blend until I'm happy. Next, I'm going to switch to a tapered brush that looks like this and apply this bright pink on my crease as well, but lower than the previous shadow. I'm so sorry, I don't know what happened with my camera, but it didn't film the part I was applying the bright pink shadow. I'm sorry. The point is, I used this eyeshadow and applied it all over my crease to intensify the pinks a little more. And now I'm using this purple shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eye and blending it into my crease. Now I'm switching to a taper brush and blending everything. And then switch into an even larger taper brush and blend everything once more. Now to darken up my outer corner a bit more, I'm going to use this brush. It is an eyeshadow packing brush.
You smart. You very smart.
And I'm going to use this kind of gray shadow and apply it only here on my outer corner. Now I'm going to cut my crease, but only on the inner half, and I'm going to do it with my concealer and a concealer brush. What I like to do is I apply some on my lash line, and then I look up and sideways, and then I have the mark up to where I want my cut crease to go. Should I go for this golden? I'm scared. I'm going to apply the shade Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette all over the place I cut my crease. Now to line my cut crease, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in the shade Distortion. Now I'm just going to line my lash line with the Kat Von D ink liner, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to do my brows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. What I do is I fill out the spaces and then I draw the line to make them more snatched. I had to pluck my eyebrows for the Foxy Eyes video. I don't regret it. I don't know, it changed the shape of my brows, but they're not bad. I'm not mad at it, I mean. So you can go watch that video if you want. I love doing that video. And I also tried some TikTok trends, so you should definitely check that one out. I'm now realizing that I didn't even do my other eye and I'm already doing my brow. I'm special, what can I say? And of course, to set my eyebrows in place, I'm going to use the NYX Brow Gel. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and I'm first going to curl them. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and my face because, well, you saw how to do the eye, and I have many other tutorials you can watch to see how I do my face makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and now we are going to finish off the eyes. Okay, my light is not working the way I want it to. Stay there. We're just going to repeat pretty much the steps we did on the upper eye. First, I'm going to take the light pink and apply it all over my lower lash line. And bringing it very low and also connecting it to the upper part. Now I'm going to take the purple shadow and apply it on the outer corner. And now take the taper brush and blend everything. And that is it for eyeshadow. Now let's move on to lips. I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie Lipstick in the shade Push Up. I'm going to change to reach my final form. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I've reached my final form. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and that you're doing well, you're safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!